I'm not on an ego trip. I'm nothing on my own. I've made mistakes and often slipped, just common flesh and bone. But I'll prove someday just what I say. I'm of a special kind when he